Welcome to our guide on using a virtual machine. Today, we will explore what virtual machines are, their benefits, and how to set them up for your workflow. Virtual machines provide numerous benefits, including isolation, flexibility, efficient resource usage, and the ability to run multiple operating systems simultaneously. When choosing a virtual machine software, consider options like VMware, VirtualBox, and Parallels. Each offers unique features, so pick the one that best suits your needs. Before installing, ensure your system meets the requirements. You'll typically need a multi-core processor, sufficient RAM, and ample storage space. Now let's walk through a step-by-step guide to install your chosen virtual machine software. Follow these instructions carefully for a smooth setup. Once the software is installed, you can create a new virtual machine. Configure settings such as CPU allocation, RAM size, and storage capacity. Next, you need to install an operating system on your new virtual machine. This typically involves selecting an ISO file and following installation prompts. Managing resources effectively is crucial. Adjust your virtual machine's CPU, RAM, and storage as needed to optimize performance. When setting up networking for your virtual machine, consider the options available such as bridged and NAT. Each has its advantages depending on your requirements. Finally, to ensure your virtual machines run smoothly, follow best practices. Keep them updated, secure, and backed up regularly.